Oh, go Nick. Oh my god, hella popping. Yeah, you did. Fuck. Fast house? Fuck, guys. This is goals right here. Ooh, man. What is up, guys? We're back at another day, and you guys won't guess what I got, but boom. Got a tomei. This shit's so sexy. Oh, it's a fucking cannon. Let me take it out. Look at these welds. So sexy. But yeah, and then we're gonna fix my side skirts. We're gonna put in some more drilled fucking thingies. I don't know. But yeah. More stability, man. Because that shit's fucking gonna come off. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. Got all the parts. Alright, boys, we took out the exhaust. Now time to build that one. Yeah, the fucking elite socks, bro. Those were the days.
The way, man. We gotta bring them back.
With the Sperry's.
2015, dude. Turn my swag on.
Fuck. You already know. Chest exhaust. Alright, let's get to building over here. Open up the box. Looking sexy. Titanium. This thing's gonna look so nice now. Complete the look. Instead of that little exhaust. It's gonna be lit. Alright, guys. We got the exhaust put together. Hopefully it's right. So what we got is you slip it in until it hits right here. And then you got the springs and you put them on. And then you just tie in this thing. Make sure you put this in before you put the exhaust in together, because then you won't be able to put it in. And yeah, same thing with this side right here. Like that. And just hand tighten these. You don't want to bend the tube, so just hand tighten these with the wrench. Not too tight, but not too soft either. And yeah, then we're just gonna put this now, the hanger. This goes right here. Alright. Alright.
Wait. So. I think found. I don't know. Okay, let's just see this. Are you recording, Mario?
Yeah.
Right there. You need to go over there. You holding it? Yeah. Let me grab it. No. Let me lift it. I'll go over there. I was just gonna lift it, but you got it. I'm holding it, yeah. Dude, this is hard. Why? The adapter is hard. Really? Yeah. Okay. I just need to line it up with the bolts. Hold up. Okay.
Look, Mario, I got my perfect weapon.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get it in? I can't really reach.
Alright, guys, we finally got the tomei on. That shit took a minute. But yeah, shit looks so nice. Sitting so low. I'm kind of scared. But yeah, we're about to check if there's an exhaust leak. We're about to turn it on for the first time. Cold start too. So, hold it. Okay.
Alright, guys, we're about to get a cold start.
Goddamn. I secured the side skirts more. I put in more of these because it was falling out. But now it's looking all good. And we fixed the tomei, so it's not hanging so low now, so that's good now. So we're done with everything. Got everything done, even this side looking much better. Yeah, maxed out. So low, man.
Oh, it's not maxed out, is it?
Yeah, they're maxed out.
Really?
Got the side skirts more secure now. Got the tomei. Hey, start it up. Oh, start it up with the water bottle in there. See if it launches out. Start it up.
The keys are in it?
Yeah. Oh, it launched it out. Oh, baby. Oh, go, Nick. Oh my God, hella popping. That's pretty loud, but. Alright guys, my mount came in. So we're gonna run my access port. I think I'm gonna put it right here. So we're gonna run it down through there. I have it plugged in, so it's gonna run in and fucking, I don't even know honestly where I'm gonna run it through. Shit, probably have to come out through here. We'll see. Just an average day. Hey, dope. All JDM. Oh, yeah. He knows, he knows. Whoa. I know. Dope content.
I don't know. Sounds hella similar from the videos.
It's fucking fat.
Idling? I think it's quieter than mine.
And another one pulls up. Oh,
USDI is too silly.
hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh. Dude, you can hella hear your intake. Yeah. Got the Lexus now?
Yeah.
Fuck. Fast house? Fuck, guys. This is goals right here. Ooh, man. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but this IS right here is hella clean. that IS is hella clean.
Oh, I know.
Alright guys, we finally got it. Got it on there. Let's see what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? Ooh.
Went to one of their again.
Like last time? Fuck no. Yeah. Fuck that.
Is touching the bumper now or no?
Nah. A fucking storm standing behind it. Look, stand right there.
Blew me away if you revs it. That's funny how the opposite, like,
How you good?
yeah.
Is that a tomei? It's stock officer. Also update guys, we got it ran through right there. Pretty easy. Yeah, it's way nicer there than just having dangling around. Yeah, check out the interior at night. It looks so nice. Check out that vid guys if you haven't yet. Yeah. All right guys, we pulled up to the meet. Well, a little private meet, but we're gonna show up to another meet, new group. Sheesh, is that a tomei dog?
Was that easy?
But yeah, we pulled up to a little private meet, and then we're gonna slide to another one at 8:30. I'll update you guys once we're there. It's pretty chill though. Yeah, Rev, go. La, fuck it. Keep going.